Hello, everyone. Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. So let's talk a little bit about unlimited archive capability in Microsoft 365 products. There are a few Microsoft 365 SKUs that have unlimited archive capability. So if you have one of these plans, in the past, Microsoft would give you 100 GB of archive capacity for your mailbox. And then if you needed more, you had to reach out to Microsoft and request additional storage. Well, that is no longer the case. So now with Microsoft 365, you get auto expanding archiving similar to how you get auto expanding storage in SharePoint. Now you get that in Microsoft 365 for your mailboxes as well, as long as your plan includes that. So the way it works is you enable archiving, you get the 100 GB of capacity for archive mailbox to start with. And then once your quota is reached for that archive mailbox, Microsoft 365 automatically increases the size of the archive. So this means you're never going to have to manually expand your archive mailbox. It should automatically expand. And it saves a lot of time. So you don't have to get with your admin. Your admin doesn't have to get with Microsoft or log into the portal or PowerShell and add the additional storage. You basically will never run out of storage capacity in your archive mailbox. This is one of those things where now you don't have to worry about running out of storage. There are a few things you need to consider. So the unlimited storage applies to your archive mailboxes, not your primary mailbox. The primary mailbox is still 100 GB, and then your archive mailbox is starting out 100 GB, and then it increases from there on demand. One thing that you want to make sure is that your policy is set correctly to move items from your primary mailbox into your archive mailbox after a certain threshold is reached. And this is what this document is talking about right here that's up on the screen. So, for example, a lot of customers want items to be archived after 3 years. Some customers are archiving after 1 year, so it just depends. Now, the archive process itself is automatic, so the user doesn't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything. After that time frame is hit, that item automatically goes into your online archive mailbox. Seamless, and you don't have to worry about any limitations, and it works great. Now, the good part about archiving is that you still, when you search for a certain mailbox, let's say, you have a archive policy set for 1 year. 2 years down the line, there's a legal matter, and you need to look at some emails from 2 years ago or 3 years ago. Well, that's not a problem because eDiscovery will automatically use the archive as well. So when you're running an eDiscovery, a search in eDiscovery, you're not just looking at the primary mailboxes of the users in the organization, but you're also looking at their archive mailboxes. So it works great. It's auto expanding. It's included in eDiscovery. It's a good thing all around. It helps all different kinds of departments and people out there. So look into this. If you have huge mailboxes, it will speed up your Outlook clients as well because they have less data to sync. And if there is a problem and you create a new mailbox for a user, a new profile in Outlook, then the sync will happen much quicker because you're not syncing all that data. It's split up into primary and archive mailbox and so on and so forth. So just wanted to give everybody a little heads up. This is a recent change. In the past, it used to be we had to manually do it, and now it's automatic. So keep that in mind. Makes things a lot easier. Everybody have a great day, and I'll talk to you again on Friday. Be safe out there.